just had fish and chips and calamari.
Oh, we went to Fish Holes Torquay. And now we are going to the supermarket to get water because the stuff here is so expensive.
But it's so good.
Yeah. Oh, there's Chinese food.
Okay, Jonathan wants Chinese food.
Yeah.
This tree is wearing a sweater.
A lamb there, there's a lamb of koala.
There's a koala here. Wow, huge one, all in grey. It's dark out now.
It's so dark.
Do you a horse?
Yes.
Are you a white horse?
I'm the Prince Charming.
So the Prince Charming rides you.
No, I ride on the white horse. I'm the Prince Charming one.
We are going to the lighthouse.
Oh, why did we take the Chinese one? This is imaginary.
Climb up the lighthouse now.
No, you can't. I see struggling though.
Look at what we found after getting lost.
It's a tent.
Hey, it's a dead end.
It's a dead end. Serious?
It's a dead end.
No.
So we were lost for quite long.
No.
And then we reached a tent. But wait, this guy is like gangster blasting music. This is called driving into the sunset.
Driving into the sunset.
Such ugly sunglasses.
Hey, nice oh.
This is our nice little place for today. That's the car that we've been having for the road trip. Cute little flowers.
Okay, cool.
Yes, we can cook, and ta-da! There's a horse! And there's like some cows here too.
It's really good. You should try the calamari here. The steak was not too bad, but overall the calamari, I don't know how they make the pork so nice, but it's really good.
Saying bye-bye to this very nice apartment with all the cows and the horses. Bye! Road trip day 3.
We're going to Warrnambool
Yes.
and Port Fairy
First stop, Logan's Beach.
to look at whales.
I don't think there'll be whales now, but never mind. Cheese World! I'm so excited to get cheese. at this place. It's amazing. And we just saw some lamb and sheep. And Jonathan's playing with the dogs. Bored?
If you're done in like 10 minutes.
Oh yeah, I need to show you this. My puff put lipstick. His lips are very red. Here we have a sofa behind the kitchen, TV. Last time we watched X-Men Days of Future Past.
Yeah.
It's my first time watching. We overbooked, so there's 4 beds here.
It's for the Babadook.
Shush. And then here we have the master bedroom. There's the toilet. Oh, there's a hairdryer. Cool.
Budget dinner.
I'm boiling water to cook cup noodles. We just bought 150 strawberries. This pup is very horrible, okay? Like he's just going to bathe and make me cook everything.
Thanks. She has the making of a good wife. We're ending. We're going to end. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.